It's the first time I'm here, loving it, so hopefully I'll come back next year.
This is my first year here. I'm enjoying it a lot.
I've been coming for years, many years.
I've been here for at least 5, 6, or maybe even 7 years.
I've been coming to the seminars since they began.
I am a lecturer. I have been giving several courses for the Symposium, and I've been doing that very consistently over many years.
We are doing a 2-session presentation on an individual income tax update. We have been doing this for NICPAP since they started the Symposium, and we're very excited to be back every year.
I've been here since the beginning. I think it's 9 years, they said.
Yeah, this is next year's 10, and it's growing every year.
It really has.
The seminars are very informative, they're very elaborate, and obviously very useful in fulfilling my CPE credits.
The Symposium as a whole gives you just so many different options of what to go listen to and to learn.
I enjoy it every year. I think it's a great time to get together with your colleagues and also to learn a lot.
Great updates, great networking opportunity.
It gives us an opportunity to get our continuing education credits that we need. It gives us an opportunity to meet on a social level with our peer accountants and to meet the vendors and the exhibitors that bring us the products that we need to continue in our practice.
The classes have been much more interesting each year, and especially this year I've been able to find every course to be something I can use in my practice.
I enjoy the knowledge, the camaraderie with the people that I've met.
And it's a great opportunity to get together, resolve issues, and learn. Everybody here has got terrific experiences, whether it's just in the classroom, the networking, or just working with the people here. It is just so wonderful.
The Symposium is excellent for attorneys and offers many good courses that qualify for the CLE credits.
Those courses are especially beneficial in the areas of our practice, which are tax and business.
The laws keep changing, you have to keep up with them, and this is a great place to do it.
There's just so much to know when you're a small practitioner, and this really is the organization to be.
We've done a lot of new things this year, including the webinar, expanding Technology Day today on Friday, and we were at full capacity for the exhibitors over the 3 days.
We have been able to broadcast in our other local chapters ranging from Boston to Philadelphia to Florida.
We had a case resolution room for New York State this year, which we never had.
We have the IRS here for problems resolution, and we also this year had New York State.
It's great to see how involved NICPAP is with the professional community, how they get together the professional community with both the IRS and New York State, and what they do to represent their constituents.
Resolving 110 cases over 3 days, they don't get that kind of volume and that kind of cooperation. So this is a great venue for that.
I've enjoyed all the courses so far. I am very impressed with the quality of the speakers at the Symposium. We really attract the finest speakers from all over the country in various areas, and not only of business and tax, but all areas of finance and financial planning, and it's very, very fascinating.
I attended the LLC Basics and Beyond seminar. It was conducted by Bianna Whitlock. She was very, very knowledgeable in the subject, very informative, very energetic, and I believe I got a lot out of the session.
There's Professor Sam Dykman, who's been speaking since the 30s as a professor, and we've been getting him here since the Symposium started 9 years ago. Bob and Neil Katz, father and son team, local Long Island attorneys that give the tax update. We always get Mark Klein that gives the New York State update. These are the main headliners for the symposium. But we also get a lot of smaller classes. On Thursday, the Financial Planners Association gave a track from morning till evening, 4 sessions, where traditionally they have between 12 and 15 in a small room. So it's a more intimate setting than the larger panels that we get. We also have specific topics, life insurance, college-bound students that get a smaller crowd, and it's a much more knowledgeable roundtable discussion than the larger formats as well.
We're labor and employment lawyers and spoke about the 2011 changes in the labor and employment laws and how it relates to their clients and how it relates to taxes. The event was fun. It was very informative. We got questions from, we had about 50 CPAs in the room, and they asked us a lot of questions and about their specific problems, about their clients, about their contacts. We're happy to answer the questions, happy to get a chance to meet people and speak.
Now, I was one of the speakers here today. We spoke twice, actually, once on New York State residency issues and IRS and New York State collection matters. And then in the afternoon, we had a wonderful panel of top New York State directors. We had the head of audit, the head of collections, the head of BCMS, and the taxpayer rights advocate on a panel discussion along with Yvonne Court, a practitioner in my office.
And we try to give participants an idea of what New York is up to, both new legislation as well as new developments, new enforcement initiatives. Bill has been with us now for over a year, and he talks about all sorts of interesting insights that he gained when he was Deputy Commissioner at the Tax Department.
And before that, I was here when I was with the Tax Department, and I had the pleasure of attending this and presenting both on what the department was doing then in the enforcement world, and now I'm just talking about what the department is doing in the enforcement world from the perspective of a practitioner.
Well, I think it's fantastic that we have this many options of what sections to go to. Actually, I just finished one. Actually, I just gave one with on e-filing and e-services with the IRS in New York State, and it was a rip-roaring seminar. People were all excited, jumping up and down, asking a lot of questions. I thought it was terrific.
Turnout has been phenomenal. I can't believe how many people we've got coming here and how enthusiastic all these people are. It's just amazing.
I actually had someone come up and hug me after the speaking engagement, so that always makes you feel really good.
You guys managed to pick out the best lecturers that I can find anywhere, and you constantly try to improve upon it, which is as good as one could ask for.
I don't know of any other place where you could get such high-quality speakers and information all in one location in such a short period of time.
I can honestly say that I have not found one speaker that I wouldn't recommend to other organizations.
These seminars have really been terrific for the last 3 days, very enriching, and we hope to be back next year for the same 3 days.
Listening to what your risk assessment was.
I'm out here because I always felt that these members of NICPAC have always helped me with my practice. They've always helped me. It's just amazing that anytime I talk to these people who are my competitors, that if I have a problem, they're out there to help me any which way they can. They're always out there to do something for me. They'll roll up their sleeves. They'll help in any which way. And these are my competitors. I don't know any other business I can go to my competitor, ask for help, and they will bend over backwards to help me. It's an amazing group of people.
Camaraderie. You meet the members meet you, and you get to know each other, and if you have problems, everyone will help each other. And I think the best get-together is at the symposium.
I just think this is the most wonderful organization around. I've gotten so much out of it.
And this is a great group.
I believe very much in NICPAP's mission, which is practitioners helping practitioners. And I think that NICPAP is the place to go if you're a small practitioner and you're seeking to run your practice efficiently and to contribute to the community and to the profession.
You have a lot of great friends besides some great information.
But I plan on joining and maybe doing some committees with everyone because everyone here, it's a great group.
Okay.
Yes.
We've been planning this for over a year, and we have plans underway for the 10th annual symposium now, which is going to be even bigger and better.
We make this an annual pilgrimage because of the quality of the speakers and the courses that are given.
I intend to come in future years.
Only if we get good enough ratings. So if they like us, then hopefully they will come back.
I'll absolutely be back next year.
We'll definitely be back next year. It's a great event.
We look forward to it.
I always enjoy coming out to the island, and I'm looking forward to doing it again next year. Absolutely.
And if Mark takes me along for the ride, I am excited beyond belief to be here. I think this is a great group. The audience is interested, focused. The issues are really of importance, and I'd love to be back.
I look forward to coming back as often as I can, and I always look forward to continue to learn.
I'll be back. We start next year, next week. We start planning this whole thing again.
Look forward to everybody being here next year. 10th anniversary. Be prepared. Yay!